You've been living in a dream world, Neo. This is the world as it exists today.
This was one of the biggest volcanic explosions in history. It was so powerful, it produced a gas cloud that reached the stratosphere. These then reflected some of the sun's rays into space. Scientists are looking to mimic the effects of this phenomenon to counter global warming. It's a highly controversial concept known as solar geoengineering.
We have only bits and pieces of information, but what we know for certain is that at some point in the early 21st century, all of mankind was united in celebration.
Meanwhile, Bill Gates is backing the first high-altitude experiment of one radical climate change solution, creating a massive chemical cloud that could cool the Earth.
But we know that it was us that scorched the sky.
It would look something like this. Thousands of planes would fly very high and use nozzles to inject millions of tons of light-reflecting particles into the stratosphere. It would create a thin chemical cloud of those particles around the whole planet, blocking some sunlight from reaching the surface.
At the time, they were dependent on solar power, and it was believed that they would be unable to survive without an energy source as abundant as the sun.
As things stand, not enough is known about how it could impact the climate or the chemistry of the atmosphere. There could be unexpected consequences.
Welcome to the desert of the real.